Did you know that one random moment changed an entire family's destiny forever? Picture this. Simon from Africa is visiting Jerusalem for Passover when Roman soldiers suddenly grab him from the crowd. Under Roman law, they could force any foreigner to work for them. Simon had no choice. Jesus had just collapsed under the weight of his cross. The soldiers needed someone strong to carry it. That someone was Simon. Imagine his shock as he's thrust into the most important moment in history, walking the brutal path from Antonia Fortress to Golgotha, beside the dying Savior. This wasn't just a random encounter. It transformed Simon's entire family. His sons Alexander and Rufus became famous Christians. Paul even mentions Rufus in his letter to Romans, saying his mother treated Paul like her own son. Archaeologists believe they have actually found Simon's family tomb in Jerusalem. One moment of forced service didn't just change Simon's life, it changed his children's lives and their children's lives. Sometimes God uses the most unexpected moments to write the most beautiful stories.